Merit has launched a tinted sunscreen and I am so excited to review this. This could be amazing or it could be absolutely terrible. So let's get into this. The Uniform Tinted Sunscreen. It is an SPF of 45 and I'm going to be testing this all day for you. I'm actually going to be outside, so we'll test the sunscreen aspect and the longevity and just how it looks overall. I feel like products like these should be very beautiful, light, you know, and just look like skin. So I'm really hoping that it does. It's a mineral sunscreen that provides broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection and a sheer tint that blends in with light as air finish. It's a sunscreen so perfect, you'll actually want to wear it every day. 1.7 fluid ounces. It is $38. They sent me the shade 28. I think it might be a good match. The other thing I want to do is apply my normal moisturizer on one side, and then on the other side I want to try this with Merit's The Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. I just want to see if it makes a difference or if maybe their products really need their own brand's helpers, as I would like to say. I do love this on its own with other makeup products, and I feel like it does make a difference. So I want to see if it makes a difference with the Uniform Tinted Sunscreen. On the left side of my face, I'm going to apply my current everyday moisturizer. It is the IT Confidence in a Cream Barrier Boost. Probably way too much. I've been using it 2 weeks or so. I've been using this and dealing with autoimmune flare-ups on my skin, and I already put eye cream on, so. And forgive my fingernails, we are still healing from acrylics being taken off. I never learned my lesson. Then on the other side, I'm going to use the Merit Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. Use it with my other hand. Sure we don't have any cross applied. This is very soothing. It's like, I don't want to say it feels satiny, but it definitely is not greasy. And it does really kind of perfect the skin on its own, which I really appreciate. I'm gonna let this sit on my skin for a second just so it absorbs, so we don't have any product lying on top of things and sliding around. The Minimalist, not a foundation, it works as a foundation concealer, wonderful multi-use coverage product. I have done a review on this, a very thorough review of the old formula versus when they reformulated this and rebranded. So if you would like to see that and you're more interested in this, I will leave that video link below. I will be using this as concealer just under my eyes. I just want to see, because I do like using this as concealer. Today I'm going to be using the Flesh Balm in Le Bon Bon. Since we're going to be outside and we're going to be having a lake day, I feel like this will look very nice, peachy, and sun-kissed. My skincare has definitely had enough time to sit on my skin, sink in, so let's go ahead and apply the Uniform. I really do love the packaging. I really, really do. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's simple. I like packaging like this, so you squeeze the last drop out. You can really get a big bang for your buck. Squeeze it. Oh no. Squeeze it. Of course I squeeze it into my powder. I'm not gonna apply that much. As I'm saying that, maybe this might be too much. I am just gonna apply this with my fingers. I'm getting very used to applying coverage products with my fingers. It definitely does not have a sunscreen smell, which I appreciate. Wow, that's really nice. Upon application, I am just in front of my window, no studio lighting. So you can see what this looks like in real life. I'm really enjoying creating reviews and videos. A little more casual, a little more lifelike. And I will bring this down my neck a little bit. And I'm just gonna take the Minimalist brush and just kind of press this in my skin. Okay, I do believe 28 is my shade, for sure. What do you guys think? I think it is. And I am not seeing it pick up on any of my dryness. Oh, I hope this doesn't break me out. I'm gonna be so sad. I feel like it was really easy to apply. I feel like my skin looks evened out. I even have my swimsuit on, guys. We're gonna go out in the sun. I love it already. It feels, it's not heavy, but it definitely feels moisturizing. It has fine natural powders in it, so it's supposed to blur, and I feel like it did. I feel like this definitely did that job. It definitely blurred my pores and made my skin look really perfected, so I really like that. I'm excited to see what it does outside when we're kind of, you know, sweating and getting a little sweaty. And I'm not gonna apply any highlighter or anything like that. Like I said, I just wanna keep this very minimalist and uniform. For concealer, we're gonna use the Minimalist. I just kinda, I wanna demonstrate how their other products work well with this product. And I'm using the shade Linen. It is like kind of my perfect concealer shade. I would say half a shade lighter than my natural skin tone. Really beautiful kind of brightening effect without it being stark. And I'm just using the Minimalist brush again. I love this brush. Oh, all of this looks really good together actually. What do you guys think? I'm kind of loving this. I went ahead and pulled out the Merit Solo Shadow in Vachetta, which is what I have on, and just a little bit of smudged liner on the top of my lid. And then for lips, oh, I have not done this combo before. The signature lip in the shade Brownstone. Oh my gosh. These are gel lip liners and they blend beautifully. It's just more of a really quick, apply it, blend it out, very moisturizing. It's a different type of product. I used Merit's lip oil in Marrakesh. Now let's go and look at it in outdoor lighting. Let's go to the lake. Let's see how this lasts in heat and sun and lasts all day. And yeah, just let's go have some fun while we review things. I'm really liking this version of my reviews, so I hope you are too. This is looking absolutely stunning. I'm about to take the dogs on a walk before I go to the lake. I love my makeup today. I love my makeup today. I don't think I have... Why am I crying? I don't think I've felt this pretty in a long time. Okay, Merit, thank you. Emotional. I mean, for real, guys? I know this is a tinted sunscreen. It's not a tinted moisturizer or anything, but the way it's working with everything on my face is incredible. And this... Oh, mascara in my hair. This side is my regular moisturizer. This side is the Merit Priming Moisturizer. Now, I personally cannot tell a difference. I can't tell a difference. I think it's working really well with both moisturizing products. We'll see if it holds up better throughout the day. It's been on my face now for an hour, so that's not very long. So let's go about the day.
Honestly, I have no shame. As a girl's girl, have I been crying all day. It is now 8 o'clock. I've had the Merit uniform tinted sunscreen on my face all day. I guess I'm having an existential crisis. I'm not quite sure. I have to lay down. I have to go to bed. I have to go to bed. I have to go to sleep. But it didn't break me out. I think I would like to use this every day. I think I would like to use this every day. I think this is beautiful. I think it's lightweight, and I think that it carried me through a very difficult day. So girl to girl, girl. Girl to girl, girl. If you're looking for something minimalistic and something that will last you all day, I think she might be it.
All right.